Yes, guys.
Hey now, welcome to Freedom Sufferer Cards video number 900, and I sit down, man. And today, I said, BAM! We will continue the Canada Here I Am Again series, man. And continue and conclude the gifts from the Pickles in Canada, at least conclude. There are parts that I'm bringing back with me. We're going to get into this box now that we've got Pinhead. We're also going to rip into a couple of packs I got. This one from the GameStop and these two from Gifts and Collectibles, I think it was. $1 each Canadian. So we're going to do that before we get into the main course meal. Unbelievable, man. I can't wait. How about that, man? We got all of our friends here, man. Greeny over there at the tree. Look at that, man. Love it, man. We got the Blinkist Collatrical Blue there, man. And we got, we're loaded with a couple of Pinheads there, man. Pinhead 1 and Pinhead 2, man. All right. How about first we give a shout out to those crazy pickles over at Little Pickle, man. Yeah, Randy, great channel. They've got forces combined there. Father, son, mother, even cat. We are talking about a pickled kraken. Little Pickle, Big Pickle, Mama Pickle with that seasoning from time to time. And you got that pickled kraken, man, making sure that all of the water gets taken from the faucets, man, all around the world, man. And Pickle Rick, man, look at him there, right, hiding beside a Gladrical, man. Crazy, man. There he goes, man. Unbelievable, man. That's right, Randy, Pickle Rick. He's a slippery one. But please head on over and check out the fun over at Little Pickle. I will have them in the video description. Oh, man. All right, man. Let's start with the Pokemon. How about that? Pokemon, man. Randy, it's Pokemon. Oh, man. Whatever, man. All right. Pack number 1. Should just be 3 cards in these packs. Believe normally they come in around Halloween. Oh, look at this. We got a foily party. Poltergeist. Oh, man. Ultimate star power, man. Something strange going on with that teapot, man. We got Drifloon. That's awesome. We got a Poltergeist. Bam! Houndstone, man. Foily, man. It is foily. Poltergeist, though. Always welcome. Oh, man. Pack number 2. It is a beautiful day. It is one of 3 videos I have been filming today, the day before I leave at the time of filming. And here we go. We got Sinistea, man. Is that the lower evolution of a Poltergeist, man? It may be. It may be. And we've got a Drifblim. Look at him go, man. And a hollow of a Spectrier. Look at this beauty. Oily, man. Alright. Very nice. Now time for the garbage jackets. From the GameStop. This is the newer season, I believe. Newer series. Oh. Here we go. Backwards, man, huh? Sit and spin. All right. Sidney Crosby, man. Dwyer Swing. We got a Peter paper. Look at this. Booger Green holding boogers. Unbelievable, man. We will look at the back at the end here. Selena's fly trap. Lena's fly trap. Selena's fly trap. Man. See what's going on there, man. Hold the China. China, rest in peace, man. Great wrestler, man. Hold the China. Colorful Carlton. You missed. Unbelievable, man. Alright, now look backwards, man. Puzzle piece here, man. Puzzle piece there and there, too. Let's get physical, alright, man. We got some puzzle pieces here, too, Randy. I'm not sure they connect. Maybe these do? Yes, they do. Bam! We have 3 puzzle pieces. Very cool. All right, man. That's a win, man. Yes, it is. Now it's time, Randy. Now it's time for the main event. Oh, man. Open that box, man. Here we go. Very cool. This is super cool. There it is, Randy. Oh, wow, man. Looks like you got a steal, Bill. Yep, we do. Blinkus? Message him. Man. Good work there, Blinkus, man. All right, look at this beauty. We have it right here. Looks like we could. Oh man, I'm not going to try and open this box. We know what'll happen. Look at this beauty. The Puzzle Box Ultimate Star Power Puzzle Box, man. Unbelievable, man. You opened it. We came. It doesn't say it like that, man. It's more like, come on, man. It was open, man, and here we are, man. No, I don't think so, Randy. Definitely didn't sound like you. Yeah, he did, man. Well, he was more like, hey, man, you opened the box, man, and we came, man. Not too sure, Randy. Captain! Believe how he said it was. Commander, the box has been opened. And here we are. Captains. Not too sure, Worf. Oh, man. See what I mean, Worf, man? I was closer, man. You don't understand. You can't possibly understand how it was said. He said, you opened the box, Hulk Hogan, you coward. And we came, Hulk Hogan. Pretty sure that's not how he said it. Let me tell you something, dude. That's not how we said it at all. He came over and he was ducking under the curl and he said the box was open. Here we are, Hulkamaniacs. No, he didn't say that at all, boy. You're a liar, man. You've always been a liar with your wandering eyes. How about that, man? Guys, settle down. Doesn't matter how it was said. Why don't you just cue it right here, man?
The box. You opened it. We came. Oh no. It is a means to summon us. Explorers in the further regions of experience. Demons to some. Angels to others. Oh, no tears, please. It's a waste of good suffering.
Man. All right, man. That was a great time. All kinds of static, man. The box has been opened. You heard that. There they are, man. All right. I had a great time. Thank you so much again, Little Pickle. Round of applause for Team Pickle, man. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this. If you did enough to leave a comment, I would be grateful, letting me know either what your favorite card was or what do you think of that box. Looks like the Cenobites are on their way. Pinheads are here already. Take good care of yourselves. Take good care of those around you. Do not put anybody in the danger zone. Don't go around, man, trying to open the box, man. Pinhead will come for you, man, and you'll get that static, man. And I will see you all soon. Real soon.
Explorers in the further regions of experience. Demons to some, angels to others. You solved the box. We came. Now you must come with us. Taste our pleasures. No tears, please. It's a waste of good suffering.
Little pickle. Big pickle.
Taste our pleasures.
Little pickle, big pickle, pickle Rick. Little pickle, big pickle, pickle Rick. Little pickle.
No tears, please.
Pickle Rick.
It's a waste of good suffering.
Yes, guys.
Waste of good suffering.
Little pickle, big pickle, pickle Rick. Little pickle, big pickle, pickle Rick. Little pickle.
No tears, please. It's a waste of good